Welcome to Mind Flows. Today, we'll go over the attendance sheet template from Monday.com. If you have a business and you ever wonder if there is a better way to manage your team members' attendance, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get going. With Monday.com, you can easily choose from one of the many pre-built templates to manage the attendance or absences of your team. Just simply search for Attendance Sheet Template. This template comes with a board composed of relevant columns and a dashboard for a better way to visualize the data. To install, click Use Template. Once installed, this is how the board will look like. It's pretty simple, yet this will be very helpful for your work on a daily basis. Here's to monitoring how many absences in a particular week for a specific employee, for example. Here's the main table that has no conditional coloring. Then, the chart view for a more unique way of displaying our data. When using this template, all we have to do is change the status into any of the options depending on our current situation. Let's say we got sick on a Monday, unfortunately. Then just choose one for the days that we are presently working. If we have to add another group for the month of March, we just need to click Add New Group and customize it by changing the text and color. We can also drag each group to make our board more organized. This column right here, you can change this into anything else like the complete dates for a certain week or whatever, depends on you. With the People or Employee column, you can simply add the employee here and add the name of the manager in the Other People column. Last but not the least, the total number of present attendance will show here, then the sum of the absences here. Follow us for more Monday.com tutorials. We're Mind Flows, a certified Monday.com partner.